So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the DAX formula, that we are going to create a new column and new measurement. Okay, there are the two columns in the sheet. Okay, so in the sheet there are the two columns as column 1 and column 2. Okay, so with the help of the two columns we are creating a new column. Okay, we are using the formula, we are going to create a new column. Okay, so how is it possible? So we are going to see everything. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's talk about the DAX formula. Okay, so first of all I will show you in the Excel sheet. Okay, so yeah, basically here is my fact table. Okay, so this is my fact table in which I want to calculate the sales cost of the product. Okay, so here you can see that we are going to create a new column as sales cost. Okay, so basically the formula will be like, this is the single unit and his price is 413. Okay, here you can see that single product price is 413. Okay, so now whenever I here update the values as 2 or here 3 products or 4 products, so basically here the cost will be increased. Okay, so now we are going to see here in the sales cost column. Okay, so using with the help of the formula. Okay, so for the formula is equal to sum, and our here select the cell and just multiply it with the product standard cost. Okay, the actual cost of the single product is 413. So just enter, and here you can see that one product cost is 413. Here 3 product cost is 3 multiplied by 413 is 1239, and 4 product cost is 1652. Okay, so this is all about the DAX formula. Okay, so now we are going to see in the Power BI. Okay, so simply you have to come here in the Power BI desktop and you have to upload your sheet, and here you can see like this type of the interface, and here you have to come in the table view, and here you can find the new column option. Just hit on the new column option, and here you can find in the upward that it has creating a new column for column name. So basically right now by default the column name is column, so we are going to rename the column name as cost sales. Okay, so we are going to write now formula. Okay, so our formula will be like this column order quantity. Here you can see that what the powerful Power BI is, that it will detect automatically the column names. Okay, just hit here, yeah, on the order quantity, which is multiply with the product standard cost, and just hit on enter, and here you can see that it will detect automatically all the cost has came 413, because here all the order quantity, the value which is present 1, which is did like 1 multiplied by 413. So basically the answer will be 413. Okay, so here if the values will present like here, which I have updated here like 342, if we update here values as 345, then here the values will update in the cost table. Okay, so yeah, this was all about the new column creating and measurement. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe, and let's see you in the next video guys with the fresh topic.